Welcome to my channel, MG with Pat. This is the fourth tips and tricks, and it's about the outside temperature. Well, you have, as you know, the display doesn't show the outside temperature, so you have three possibilities to organize the temperature. The first one is to use Apple CarPlay. The other one is to use Android Auto. And the third one is to install an extra temperature gauge. Well, there is three different approach to the outside temperature. If you use Android Auto, it will show you the temperature on the display. It will take a little bit of time, and you have to have it in a way to have it enabled, but it show you on the screen as you can see on the picture. Well, if you have an Android, it's okay, but if you use Apple product, you have Apple Car, but Apple Car doesn't show you that the outside temperature, but you have as well Siri that you can ask. I will show you in the next in the video how you can do it. Hva er været I dag?
Det delvis overskyet vær for øyeblikket, og temperaturen 6 grader I Drøbak. Det ventes vind fra I ettermiddag, og deretter pent vær I kveld. Temperaturen vil synke fra 6 grader på morgenen til 3 grader I kveld.
Well, the third part is some people install the outside temperature, that you can have a gauge inside of the car and the cables going out of the car, and then I see a couple of doing it and it works quite well. So that's the tips and tricks of the day. So the three methods to get outside temperature in the car. So don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and leave me a message if you want to hear more tips and tricks about the MG ZS EV. Have a nice day, bye bye.